Ukhozi olumaphiko olubhula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephetheka imiyane inyone nobuciko nobuyoninco edwebe ngesivinini emafini icula ingoma emnandi yayiyahlukanisa unyaka omusha komdala nyone nezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza esezidondolozela zathi siyayazi lenyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule izibongo zokhozi FM sizibhalelwe ngusidadada soju ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
General Nanisa uyena ohola ibutho labesifazane kuphela elibizwa ngokuthi agoje okuyila khona likwazi ukuthi liconvince noma lihehe ngokumchazela lo oyinkosi ukuthi asilwe nalabantu basuka ke balihlenga izwe. Sizokhuluma nalabo bangabalingisi bale-movie noma lomdlalo owefilm njengamanje obamba umhlaba wonke kwenziwa lento ebizwa ngepremiere okusho ukuthi kukhonjiswa okokuqala sibonile la eningizimu Afrika kwenzeka izolo njoba kade kule noLady D sezikhona ihambeli zakho njengamanje siyajabula siAfrika siyajabula siningizimu Afrika ukhona uThuso Mbedu kanti ukhona futhi noJohn Boyega. Lady D,
hey sanibonani studio.
Yebo, sanibona.
Uyaphila nokwani?
Ngiyaphila njani nini?
Wenokwa. KZN asiwaqedela amagama sithi nokwani sithi
ukwando. Ekhaya bakubiza ngokwando.
Ukwando. Uright kwando.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Uhamba nobani?
Ngihamba noJohn kodwa kuthiwa kumele simnike igama lesiZulu angazi ke.
uJona. Siyabonga siyajabula nani siyabonga hey wakhuluma indaba emnandi uhleli kahle kuhle kanje lapho inkosi yami yabo leyo ntokazi uqhamuka kaNdongazi bovu ngithi yakwazi kaNdongazi bovu eMaritzburg eMphithi ngokuphithizela waphithizela ukwando wabonakala siyakuthanda kakhulu siyahlonipha umsebenzi wakho ayike kulungile siyawungipendela isithombe nje ugqokeni ukwando ugqokeni uJona awungakhele nje isithombe
ukwando ufaka ingubo emnyama wena ngazi uthi bukhwebezane kodwa lamachashaza amhlophe aneyinhliziyo kusho ukuthi bekumele kuba amachashaza ayindingilizi kodwa ayinhliziyo athi ngibona ukuthi uJona yena ufaka iskipa esibovu esinenkanyezi ezimnyama kanye nekepisi elibovu usho ukuthi uyawuthanda lo mbala obovu uJona
obovu we kwando uthungela usasa namanje ayi uyakushayela manje
hayi bengasiyena hayi ingutshana nje bakithi lena engesasima
siyabonga kakhulu kanti ke mase siqhubeka nendaba siyezwa ama awards ntombazane uyazi ukuthi kuwethuso kufanele ukuchwaza South Africa yonke kube mnandi siziqhenye sonke ngendlela ongakazi uyibone uyabona ke siyake ngikunika ithuba ukukhuluma naye kakhulukazi oba siyazi ukuthi uyabona u2018 what makuthiwa Forbes Africa kwathiwa under 30 kwathiwa yibona ingane ayakafika ugalelekile sathi Emmy siyamangala kwathiwa times 2 Emmy sathi hayibona indaba hayibo lengane izalwe ngoJuly hayi impela inhlanhla zithi mhla 8 July uyicelebrate birthday yakho kwanto
kulonyaka
yakho chance
ngiyacabanga ngoba ngithe 31 this year so yeah benginabangani bami
kumnala kwamnandi
yebo
hayi ake niqhubeke lapho siyangizobuye ngibuye khona manje
Siyabonga kakhulu Lady D. Well, basically John, we're just trying to explain basically are you even able to pick up a little bit of Zulu?
I picked up a little bit of what you're saying when you speak English. That's how bad I am. One day, but I'll be taught.
So tell me, during the shooting of the film itself, was there a conglomeration of different cultures, languages, creeds? Like I heard we walk cry Thuso ukuthi bekhona izinto ecishithi bayede kodwa ingasho kanjalo. Were you able to pick up certain things and take from where you are from in Nigeria as well?
Definitely. I think The Woman King is a black diaspora movie with people from all over the place. We had South Africans, Nigerians, Ghanaians, some black British people, African Americans. So yeah, definitely there was a whole bunch of cultures on set.
Yeah. Sikhona kodwa Thuso isikhathi sokuphumula makushuthwa nanokuthi awusichazele ukuthi kube yinyanga ezingaki mhlawumbe kuzokuba kwaba unyaka nokuthi bekuvuka kanjani yiphi into ebikuphoqa ikudemanda yakunikeza inselelo enkulu njengomlingisi osumkantshu bovu yizo omncane kangaka.
Hayibo sisebenzile kule yanto saqala before sishutha nokushutha ngoba safika eSouth Africa end of September last year. Kodwa before that bekumele sijime to prepare for ama stunts lawa siwenzayo ngoba yonke into oyibonayo on screen yenziwe yithi
benjima
so 3 to 5 hours every day
Yo.
Siyajika hey basivuruvaya.
Functional muscle,
All
no
of it.
taekwondo izinto enjalo
All
yonke
of
leyo
it.
angifunela ngibona
Weapons.
inkwenyana ukuthi
Awe,
sikhule
ngiyibona
kangakanani.
ifihlwe ingubo kuphela ngithi uyabona ku understand ukuthi ngeke uyibone kodwa ikhona ngaphansi bawupitshiza nje la ungayithola.
Yeah. On the back, yebo Lady D.
kade ethi enza i-warrior training bekhona bezibuya lapha ema-stepisini akakutsheli bekwenzekani bekuthiwa i-warrior training bekusho
Yeah, besifuna ukubakutshengisa into encane nje like ukuthi yini le besiyenza kahle and ayizikhalile bakithi.
Yeah. On the backdrop of an storyline sikhuluma ngabantu besifazane abalelwe behlenge izwe.
Yeah.
On the backdrop of that vele siningizimu Afrika Africa umhlaba wonke sithi asikufukule wemuntu wesifazane kanye nazo zonke inselelo obhekane nazo. Ukungena kwi-character yakho uzodlala leli iqhaza lalo wesifazane olekelela ukuthi kuhlengeke isizwe kuhlengeke nokujivazeka komuntu wesifazane. Yini lo edile mhlambe yawena uthola ukuthi kunzima ngisho ukuthi uyikhiphe mawusugoduka usuye ekhaya.
Ngicabanga ukuthi into engisizile kakhulu ukufunda from i-character la ebengidlalayo.
Yeah.
Ngoba mina ngumuntu othulayo naturally. Yona i-character ibe umuntu who stands up for what is right no matter the cost. Ukuthi i-encourage lo phethe ukuthi acabange for ama solutions in different ways. Because sina sesijwayele ukubona izinto from one perspective and sometimes iyona into eslimazayo. But we have to open up our minds to see the world through different eyes for our solutions for our problem esiphethene nawo in the moment. John, I want to come to you as an African actor who's now exposed at the Hollywood platform. How quick do you have to adapt in realizing and not get too, overshadowed by the fact that the stars of Viola Davis are here, knowing that you are here as well, step up and prove your own and know that you are contributing at the same level and appreciate it even at the same level?
I think it's taking, full accountability for what's gotten you to that point. You're there for a reason. They hired you because you're great for the job. And the worst you can do for yourself is to belittle yourself in the eyes of the likes of Viola Davis and those, because Viola Davis is a very giving actress. The only way to act with her is to be confident in yourself as well as share. She makes mistakes as everybody else, so we're all colleagues in this and we all come in on the same level.
Yeah. And while we're shooting and while you're getting these accolades and traveling, are you still able to enjoy a little bit of your life? Girl, I saw you got a brand new machine. Ngifuna ukwazi imoto ingoma yokuqala oyidlalile mawungena kuloya machine lo.
Okay, let me explain. Akusiye yami leya moto. Bangiboleka for i-birthday yami.
Awu siyabonga.
Ngoba bayangithanda. We understand.
Kodwa sisho ukuthi ngeke uyi-afford na.
Lalela ngisebenzela manje sengibonile ngoba ngi-experience ukuthi hayi there's no turning back manje ngiyoyilanda.
And there's no turning back for Africa, Lady D, njengoba amagama ase-Africa njengamanje kwi-entertainment industry ngazi ukuthi umhlaba awenza sinake kakhulu ukuthi hayibo i-Africa kwenzakalani, sathi ngalana khona oBurna Boy, sathi ngala khona oBlack Coffee, sathi ngala khona noMzamo, khona oThuso, khona kwenzakalani kanti nge-Africa, Lady D?
kanti ngizwile futhi lapha kuthiwa kuna 4 wamantombazane black ladies amahle lapha koThuso. Kuhamba kanjani Thuso, niyibambile niyimbokodo?
Asina choice. And into engifuna ukisho ukuthi we have always been here, we have just besishoda ngeopportunity. And manje for some reason sibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi for some reason sebe amehlo asekithi and ours is to prove ukuthi no sikhona, there's no denying us. And baniqhubanisa ama opportunities izinto ezizozenza ziyamangaza
kakhulu.
A warrior becomes a legend. Engiyethanda kwaleyo nto ebhaliwe lapha. Manje ke awungitshele Thuso uthi ke dear grandmother awugogo uyamkhumbula. Ngitshele incwadi yakho. Uthini nithi kuba nje gogo ngiyazi ngabe manje uhlaba ucingo utshela wonke umuntu. Yini enze ucabanga ugogo uzumbhalela incwadi ethi dear grandmother?
No, ukuthi ugogo engithi uyena wasikhulisa senosisi wami and she was my biggest supporter even if izinto bengazi understand ukuthi yini le engiyenzayo. And it's a case of cutting ngithi ngisposter lesi sithombe. Ingqondo yami yavele yathi ugogo ungabe wenzani ngalesikhathi. Honestly speaking, it was that, and bengazi uzohlafuna insini zakhe. Adonsa itafula ukuthi abatshela ukuthi lalelani ke sekunjalo ngoba wayenza njalo noma kuthiwa incane kangakanani into ebesiyenza esizwa nje ukuthi uhulisha itafula ashe khofoza ababikela ukuthi sekunjalo
ahlafuna izinsini zakhe abizonke ngiyabonga iqhubeka lapho silalele kumnandi
Siyabonga kakhulu Lady D. Seeing you guys thrive at this level, John, what is this doing for that young African kid who sees those valleys and it doesn't have that much inspiration, really? It's just nature, which, by the way, the scenery of the movie is kombiso obuhle bezwekazi lase-Africa in a different splendor. But you guys have seen and at different levels of the world, you know, the splendor. What inspiration do you think goes out there to anyone who may want to act, who may want to sing, who may want to say, can I be anything that I can even imagine or see myself through John or through Thuso?
I think it brings the young African boy or girl who hasn't received opportunity and who doesn't see opportunity around them. It brings it closer to their knowledge, and then it inspires them to do what they need to do to reach that stage. I wouldn't be here if I didn't see Idris Elba do American roles and inspire me by being a kid from South London. So for me, you know, connecting to actors who've actually been out there, who've done that, but are from my environment, as Thuso is from here, I'm sure that inspires a lot of people to get onto it.
I want to get into some scenes. I'm yet to watch the movie. I'm hoping to do so sometime this weekend. Which scene do you think will be your favorite for someone ongakayibuki i-movie njengamanje osazoyibuka?
siqala nje kwi-opening scene hayi benza amawaza lapho
Ngempela?
yebo
First 5 minutes.
Yeah, first 5 minutes you're just like hey kwenzakalani la right up until the end.
Really?
Honestly speaking, right up until the
ayikho nje
very end.
hlukayo othi nje yabona ke le mhlawumbe yangenzanga khala noma kwakudinga kumiwe
Inkinga
ngikhuthazwe.
yilokho uyakhala uyahayiza uyakhuza uyahleka ayikho into engayenzi bobuka le movie ayikho.
And for yourself, John?
First 5 minutes.
First 5 minutes.
Yeah, first 5 minutes. I was blown away by it, and I wasn't there to shoot those scenes. So I'm the legit one that can tell you. The first 5 was crazy.
I want to come back to inspirational woman, Lady Duke wakhuluma now ngalento le. When immediately I saw the storyline that the women are convincing the king, I immediately went to Joan of Arc. I don't know if you guys will know that story in the movie that was done in the 90s, that she was able to convince against all odds in those times, and indeed they win. What does it say about women in different platforms as a leadership? Abaphethe isizwe nabaphethe ama-portfolio amakhulu ukuthi ba-convince abantu mhlambe noma ama-platforms okugcwele khona abantu besilisa ukuthi ngingakwenza lokhu akwenze kwenzeke futhi.
It really is that ukuthi see we have something in us within ourselves ingqondo mentally emotionally that could change nations if we're given the opportunity. And siyakubona kule movie ngoba i-character ya Viola uNaneska who has the king's ear and uza nge-wisdom ne-life experience that he doesn't take for granted and we see it play out in the way it does.
As a man, how do you respond to that, John?
Yeah, I agree. You have a king that's been empowered, that's in a position of power, but that power is nothing if he doesn't have the knowledge to execute it in the right way. And Naninska, Viola Davis' character, has his special ear, and he knows that he has to give her that respect because, as Thuso has just said, she has the life experience. She's been through it. She's walked step by step in those shoes, and he acknowledges it and says that this is where the wisdom needs to come from. I think that's what we should be doing in society.
We should be.
Definitely.
I just saw that Lady D, I don't know if Ubonilu TD Jakes of the Potter's House passed the baton to her daughter Sarah. And so that's exact exemplary of what we're speaking. Angifuna ukukushiya kule nkulumo ngoba wena othi angizohlala ngesinqa Lady D.
Njengoba kujabulela kanjani ngilalele la kumnandi endlela eyisimanga. Uyabona ke ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi njengoba sebelana ngiyasiqala mhla ka30 ubusathi uzoyibona kuhamba kanjani abantu kuyabhukhwa yini sengihalele kakhulu kuzwa lo.
Awusitshela imniningwane Thuso.
Hayi nje kwama cinema wonke nje uyahamba ubheka iWoman King thenga ithikithi hlale phansi uenjoy like today sizobe eGateway from imovie siphumile already but thina personally sizoba khona ngo5:30.
Uyakwazi manake mawusuyibukela uyakwazi ukuyicritique ngangenza kangcono la kodwa busiwenzani when you're watching the movie are you able to say wow perfect, or do you criticize yourself as an actor because you just push yourself that much?
Oh yeah, always criticizing, always. But that's the beauty of it. We can do the criticizing, you guys can do the enjoyment.
We don't see any. We don't see those flaws.
Yeah, you
what
guys
you're saying,
enjoy.
John, we're not allowed to criticize. You are the only person that can criticize. For us, is to enjoy and be entertained. I
Yes.
get you.
Yeah,
I get
enjoy
you.
yourself.
Playing it safe.
Ungaphendula uthini ngendlela eyodwa nawe Thuso, eh?
Oh, definitely.
Ngifuna ukubona la abalaleli abakhona uandile Ntaka ehadini uthi ngilalele uthi tell uThuso ukuthi muhle siyabonga ngayo kanye no Mr Smelane naye online wenza kanjani ukuthi o Twitter no Instagram kube khona ibalance ngoba phela siyazi futhi okunye ukuthi it can get too hot kumele uthi maintain your mental health.
Yeah.
How do you make sure that in your consuming of social media and other platforms that expose you to people's opinions ukuthi lezo zinto kodwa zingabi izinto ezizokulimaza mhlawumbe kuze kugcina ukuthi uthatha ama leave eyintweni enjalo ya?
Well, mental health wise, I'm very intentional about the amount of time I spend on the social media. Sometimes I'll take a month off. Because umuntu who will post on my behalf even if I'm not there.
Yeah.
Because it is the job. You know.
Yeah.
But otherwise, it's also understanding me. I know personally I have nothing to prove to anyone. And if you are not trying to build me, your opinion does not matter to me.
Wow. Drops mics.
Yay, babe. Should
And now you want me to pick up the mic? Sizzling hot.
You know what I mean?
You can see me now with my hands up and stretched.
Yeah.
The mic.
Oh, yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu umyalezo wenu angazi ngizothi kuba kuwo wonke umuntu onisupportayo as individuals nonisupportayo mase kuphume iproduct njengale Woman King nithini kubona.
Enjoy it. Funda as much as you can from it, and hopefully izoshintsha ingqondo yakho for the better.
Yeah.
And when you step out, because what these women are showing us is that nothing is impossible. What the actors and actresses are showing us is that nothing is impossible. All you need to do is apply yourself. But how do you apply yourself? Are you applying yourself for the betterment of others or for the destruction of others?
Wow.
Choose to be better.
Sure.
Hayi yabona kumanje lapha ya Stella Studio bathi uyabona ilona wayelana evets bathi wayelala eBlock C bajabula manje uthini eMaritzburg.
And ngiphuma khona namhlanje kuseni bengiya girls
Ufike
time
banje?
ngoba bengifunda khona. It was beautiful, man. It's nice to reconnect, you know, all the memories are there. You see the struggles, you see the victories, you see the lessons learned. And again, mina isikole sami sangifundisa kahle kakhulu ukuthi ngize ngikwazi ukufika eVits. Graduate with the honors cum laude is because of my foundation. I mean, I'm just saying. It's because of that. My foundations were strong and I don't take it for granted. I am grateful for that. Because ngifunde khona kodwa again isikhuliso ugogo obehola impesheni. So our circumstances are funny, but we are not defined by our circumstances with.
Not at all. Your message to our people, John?
Say it again.
Yeah, live, love and laugh. This movie has a variety of emotions. It's not just pain, it's not just trauma. It's also about us learning how to enjoy ourselves, enjoy each other, enjoy our culture. Embrace our culture, but also embrace our differences. This is a diaspora movie, as I said. As a British Nigerian, I'd love to see more integration between us. You know, much more knowledge between us. You know, and then hopefully this can build until we're shooting in South Africa, we're shooting in Nigeria, we're shooting in Ghana.
Come on,
and we build a bigger industry for ourselves. So,
absolutely.
You know what John said? John said, live, laugh, and laugh.
yeah.
The love part of it, how far do you go?
I got a lot of love.
Because they're on your Instagram right now, checking it out.
Oh yeah, I got a lot of love. You know, mum and dad are with me. Sisters there. A lot of love.
Playing it safe.
You know exactly where I'm going to, but anyway.
Let's get your socials, guys, as you say goodbye, please.
Yeah, I'm at John Boyega on Instagram and Twitter.
Thank you so much. Thuso sesimane siyabuza just.
Now I'm at Thuso.Mbedu, THUSO.MBEDU on Instagram and Thuso Mbedu on Twitter.
Ngibonga Lady D.
Asisithombe ngila, asishaya isithombe ngila. Ngizoshaya kanjani isithombe konje? Asenani.
Ngibonga kakhulu Lady D
Siyabonga.
ukuthi silekelele ukuthi kuzwakale ngazo zonke indlela kakhulukazi njengoba sinama audience nokusetshenziswa kolimi lwesilungu. Siyabonga kakhulu John Boyega, take a bow. Thuso Mbedu, take a bow. Siyabonga kakhulu. Woman King.
Yeah.
Bye Kwando.
Bye.
John.
Take care.